Hi guys, welcome back to Sofia's Kitchen, and today we have a special guest.
Hi, I'm Tori.
And she'll be our special guest for the day.
First, we're gonna need cake pop sticks, Peeps, green food coloring, brownie mix, 2 eggs, chocolate, carrot chocolate, whatever, vegetable oil, and frosting.
Okay, so now we have the brownie mix and we're gonna pour it in. And Tori, would you like to crack an egg?
Sure.
Okay, but first can you please throw this away? Okay, so we each have an egg. So do you want to crack the egg first?
Sure.
And I'm doing the one-handed crack. And that's how you crack an egg with one hand.
So now we will be adding the vegetable oil.
And I'll be putting in 3 tablespoons of water because that's what this box needs. And Tori, can you please say how much vegetable oil we're gonna need?
Oh, we need 1 cup of vegetable oil. And we already measured this.
So now I'm gonna add in 3 tablespoons of water, and she accidentally said a cup. You actually need half a cup of vegetable oil.
My bad.
So Tori's gonna talk to you right now for a little bit. You guys are gonna play the staring contest. And time for the second tablespoon. Oh my gosh. And then the last one.
You need a whisk to mix it.
Don't worry. The water is good from the faucet here.
Yes.
It's not poisonous or
So
anything.
now we will be mixing it. Would you like to mix it?
You can mix it. You're the guest here.
You have to make sure to get the sides and the bottom.
So we just finished mixing the batter in, and now we're gonna go get the pan. So now we put butter. Now we're gonna grease the pan everywhere.
Just so the brownie mix doesn't stick to the pan.
Yes. So now Victoria will be putting
the batter into the
pan.
The pan, yes.
So
That's the word I'm looking for. Bring that up.
Yeah, you should play music in the background.
Okay, so now we just finished putting it in, and Tori, may you please put this in for me? Would you like to?
No, I'll open the oven for you.
Fine. Then she wants to do that.
Just shove it in.
And it's in, so we're gonna leave that.
Okay.
And done.
So you need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
Which we already did. And we'll see you in 25 minutes.
Later that same evening.
So I have another person coming, and her name's Paula. She's the one who's been videotaping the whole time.
Yeah.
Now Tori's videotaping.
Yeah.
So as you can see, I just opened the fluffy whipped cream. And so Paula, please get me a spoon.
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna color this green for the grass. So you're gonna need like
Probably
2 drops of food dye. We can always add more. if
And
we
then
need
you
it.
just need to mix it around.
Can I mix it first, please?
Mm.
You could do it next. So right now we're gonna put in the chocolate carrots. So what I'm gonna do is first we're gonna just make a little hole like that. But first let's start with the
Icing.
Yes, icing. So this is gonna be the grass. You could use like all the other stuff and everything. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna squirt it out. everywhere. And do anything you want. So you can use the grass looking thing, but right here I'm just gonna spread it all around. And I wanted to put this how I figured out how I wanted to do this is by, so now we're gonna add the carrots in like
Aren't we gonna unwrap
this.
them?
Nope. So it looks like a carrot. So please help me with that.
So just put
Just
them
do
everywhere?
it in rows, like 2 at a time for now, like this. Because we're gonna put the peeps in. Just put 2 like that. If we have enough room, we'll add the other ones. Now we're gonna add more.
Okay.
Oh, this,
So now that we've done that,
we're gonna add the peeps. So this is what we're gonna do. We're getting a peep. You can use any color. Broke the cake pop stick in half, and we're just gonna put it in like that, so it looks like they're just standing right there. So we're gonna do that for the rest of the time. This is our finishing touch, and this is our other finishing touch. Oh,
you look like a mud pie.
oh.
Thank you guys for watching. What are you looking at?
Please make sure to subscribe.